Hi guys, so I was just working with my old Android project and I was just updating the required packages like Gradle and other packages. So after updating my Gradle file to 7.5 bin, I'm getting an error saying that querying the map value of provider before task has completed is not supported. Okay, so this is the issue I'm facing. Okay, so to solve this issue, we need to do is we need to update our Google services in build.gradle file. Okay, so the class path we need to update. Okay, so as you can see, it is showing an warning to update it to some other version. Okay, so you just need to make sure that you just need to change it to 14. The 10 you can replace it to 14, or else whatever it is been suggesting for you. So it is saying that to update to 4.4.0. Okay, so I will just change it to 4.4.0 and let's check if the issue will get sorted or no. Okay, so after changing this, just hit the sync button. So this might take some time, so I'll just pause the video over here and let's continue. Okay, so the build was completed. Let's check by running the project. Okay, so now as you can see, my project has been running successfully on my emulator device. So let me show you. Okay, so you can see it has been running on my device successfully after updating the Google services to 4.4.0. Okay, so this is how you can fix the issue.